YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to have a full playlist available for you guys down in the description. So if you guys click down below, we'll actually have a full playlist that'll show you guys how to completely rebuild this thing from the outside all the way down to the frame of the cleaner. We did have a previous video already on how to do the bag, so go ahead and check that out. But for today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove and reinstall the actual float on the back end of the cleaner. So for those of you guys that don't know, the float is a very crucial part to this cleaner. It helps keep that back end floated up so that it keeps that front end down, focused on cleaning. If there's a crack or there's some kind of leak in this float, it's going to completely fill with water, which is going to then cause this thing to start to do some wheelies. So if you start to notice that your cleaner is doing wheelies, more than likely it's because this float is broken and you will need to replace this float. So really simple. It's attached onto the feed mask tube here for you guys. So you guys may think that it's like actually fully screwed on. It's not screwed on. It does have some ridges on here that actually help keep it on. So to take it off, you're just going to kind of lightly unspin it as you're pulling out. You don't really need to put too much force on it. Again, I just kind of lightly spin it as I'm pulling it out. So then that way it just can ride these grooves that are actually included on the feed mast. Excuse me. The whole point of these grooves is to make sure that this just doesn't slide on and off of the feed mast tube. So this is an actual stopper. They're kind of like a reverse type of thread. So instead of the threads to grab on from this side, it stops something from pulling out. That's why you kind of want to generally unscrew it as you're pulling it off. And then once you get your new one, that's all brand new. Again, we've got these all available in the links in the description. You're just going to grab it. It doesn't matter which direction, and there's no right or wrong on this. Both of these have a hole on each side. Doesn't matter which side goes on first. And then you're just going to kind of gently, again, twist it on while you're pushing so that it goes up as close as you guys can kind of get it here to the end of the feed mast, and then you're good to go and everything's reinstalled. You should be able to throw this back in and stop seeing that cleaner doing those wheelies. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Check out that playlist. Be sure to subscribe because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. But I really appreciate you guys watching me replace and take off the hose, the actual float for the Polaris 180. So I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.